right, guys, NAB 2022, and we found a booth that I think will solve a lot of my problems, because one of the things I hate doing is charging my batteries for all my gear, because everything uses its own charger. So I'm here with SJ at Bronine. Tell everybody at home what you guys are showing off.
Hi, how you doing? My name is SJ. We are from Korea, and we released our multi-brand camera charger just last October, and we've got a 2-port and 4-port. At the moment, we are supporting 10 brands and about 35 different battery models, which covers more than 200 camera models.
And I love how the system works. So can you walk, like, if somebody was going to buy it, like, what's the process of them kind of deciding what to do?
Well, some professionals, they've got several cameras, so they having problem with carrying all the different charges. So we want to solve that problem. So we built a multi-brand camera charger to cover all other batteries.
And then so for all the different batteries, they're kind of like different modules, right, that you kind of just attach to it?
Yeah. So we've got so far 35, but we are keep adding it, and there are about 5 coming up next month. So.
Perfect. I love it, and I also love how you have kind of the magnetic snaps to it, so you don't have to kind of worry about like plugging in and anything the wrong way too. So I love getting the process, and then if people are interested in kind of picking up your station, where should they go?
They can go to Bronine.com, or they can go to Amazon to purchase it.
Perfect. And then so what's kind of the price look for, for the 4 set and the 2 set?
4-port, it's selling at $78, and 2-port is $48. And the charging kits, it's between $9 to $12. So instead of buying a whole charger, you just got a charging kit for $9 to $12.
I love it. And you guys even do rechargeable AA batteries too, right?
Not at the moment.
Not at the moment, but
it will be supported soon.
All right, cool. And I just love this idea too. And like, has it changed your life too? Because I'm guessing you have a lot of different batteries too.
We do. Well, it saved me a lot of times. Also for the portability, this can stock up easily.
I love that.
Yeah. Also, we've got a cool feature which is called battery health check. So if you make the run out the battery of the same batteries, because it's showing the charged amount since you connect it, well, once it's full, it will show the different amount. So once it has a more amount, you can say it's a newer or it's less been used. So
I love that. So yeah, and then just for one last time, let everybody know your guys' website.
Bronine.com. It's Bronine.com.
Perfect. Thank you, SJ. This is like a cool system. Like I am excited for it. Like that's why I stopped. Like that is way cool. So make sure you guys check that out. Ktdata.net at NAB 2022.